Hey there, I hope you are well. So today's lesson is exercise. We are doing exercise. So you guys will be doing the exercise. I have done my side. I did not do it well, so I hope you will be doing it very well. So what you need to do here, you have to go each row, then extract an element from each row. So first row we need to extract 15, the element 15. The second row we need to extract the element 54, then add it together, then divided them by 2, then you will get the result of 42.0. so use any kind of method, so we need to find the result of 42. So that's it. I will be doing it better than me. So see you soon. Thank you.